When you're out on the trail, your gear is your lifeline. Whether it's your sleeping quilt, your backpack, or your tent, keeping everything in top condition means staying warm, safe, and comfortable. Today, we're breaking down some simple but essential tips on gear care, maintenance, and how to handle repairs when things don't go as planned. Ultralight gear is designed with delicate, high-tech materials. The balance of lightweight and performance is amazing, but it also means the gear requires some extra love. Proper care not only keeps your quilt or jacket warm and functional, but it also protects the investment you've made. With good maintenance, gear can last for years instead of needing early replacement. Start with the basics. Keep your quilt clean. Oils and dirt reduce loft, which means less warmth at night. Between trips, just wipe it down with a damp cloth. For deeper cleaning, think once per season or every 50 to 80 nights of use. Many companies even recommend professional washing services like CO2 cleaning to restore loft without harming the fabric. Next, be gentle with zippers. They're lightweight and prone to damage if forced. Keep them clean, use 2 hands when zipping, and consider a little graphite lubricant for smooth operation. And watch out for sharp objects. Always clear your campsite before laying out gear and carry a patch kit. A quick patch can stop a small tear from becoming a bigger problem. Finally, stay away from flames. Even a tiny ember from a campsite can melt a hole right through ultralight fabric. Your quilt's loft is directly tied to warmth. Give it time to fluff up after unpacking and redistribute down by shaking or massaging any clumps. At home, throw it in a no-heat dryer with tennis balls to help restore loft. And for storage, always use the cotton or mesh sack provided. Never compress it long term. Sometimes damage goes beyond a field patch. That's where professionals like Rugged Thread come in. They specialize in outdoor gear repairs, from zipper replacements to seam sealing and patching holes. The process is simple. Reach out to them with details and photos, ship your gear, and they'll take care of the rest. Remember, clean gear is warm gear. Patch small problems quickly and don't hesitate to lean on the pros when you need bigger repairs. With the right care, your equipment won't just survive the trail, it will thrive on, keeping you safe and comfortable for all adventures. Take care of your gear and it'll take care of you. Thanks for watching and happy trails.